What's up, bullish friends? Hey, sometimes I put out an update and immediately after an update, the team I'm talking about goes live with their actual new update. So I'm back here, as I said I would be earlier, to put out a quick, super quick video, just letting you know the new updates going on with the Piggy Bank and Drip. And Forex put out a post here saying that they are ready. We are ready. 100% of the work is complete, and our official launch date is Thursday, April 21st. Now, I'm not going to read through all this to you live here, but I am going to tell you about a couple things. They also mention here that a drip innovation, which will include a new high-end user interface and team competitions, and maybe even something truly mammoth. Now, I have no clue what that's going to be, but it's always interesting to see what they're going to do next. The user interface has been talked about for a long time, about making a really clean, very professional-looking interface, so I'm sure that will be welcomed by the community. He also goes on to talk about an amazing new protocol I've been working on with several partners, including Chainlink, which will change the game and bring huge cash flow into our current platforms. Well, that sounds like very awesome news. And they close out just giving the update, just saying that they're ready. Again, launch date is Thursday, April 21st, so next Thursday. And it looks like it's going to give them about a week here to do some serious marketing and some serious push. I think this news coming out, I honestly believe it's going to bring some new blood, some new life into this project, and some new money. You're going to see it go up, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but I really think it's going to go up. And regardless, I think Drip is going to be one of those projects still going forward for the future, and it has a lot of longevity left. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Again, super short, quick video, but I had to get this news out to you, and you guys stay bullish and have an awesome day.